Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. In this video, if you want to see me how I achieve this look with my braids over locks, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. This is a video where I am going to attempt to do Marley twists using this Marley hair. I bought this from my local beauty supply. It's called a Kinky Twist Braid. $4.99, originally Marley hair. I bought 6 packs because I talked to the guy and he said you may need 6 packs. I have 100 locks in my hair, 100 or so locks in my hair. So I bought it in several colors because I bought it in color 33. And this is, oh no, I don't even know what the inches are. Oh, I don't even know the inch length. It doesn't even say. Does it say the inch length? Oh, it doesn't. Anyway, okay, but anyway, we're gonna use it. I bought it in 30, the color 33, 30. A mixture of M4 and 30. So that's the color 4 and 30. And M and 27, because I like to mix the colors just a little bit, give it a little depth. Okay, so I bought 6 packs, and let me take one of them out of the pack to show you what the hair looks like. Okay, so that's what the hair looks like, you guys. I'm gonna prep this hair and get it ready so when my hair is dry, because I just washed my hair, when my hair is drying, I'm gonna let it out and let it air dry some, that I can start prepping this hair. So I'll be back. You'll see me. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have taken out one of the packs. This is the 33 color, and it is actually in 2 bundles. They've got it already looped in 2 bundles right here. So I feel like it's kind of already ready for me to use. I didn't even look at the length of this to see how long it was. That's kind of making me mad. And of course, when you buy something from the beauty supply, usually there's no exchanges, so we're just gonna have to work with what we have. Oh, I was like, who is that? That's my dog coming to find me. So I'm probably going to just start separating them out into pieces. Like, my hair is kind of thick, so I might have to just cut it out and do it. But yeah, it's already kind of separated, which is kind of cool. It doesn't have a lot of hair, but I'm gonna try my best. I have 100 locks in my hair. So each of these bundles, if I got 6 and they all have like 12, I'm gonna really try my best to get 12 bundles, at least 9 or 10. Try to get 10 braids out of each bundle. I don't see how I'm gonna do that. I might have to go back and get a few more bundles. We'll see, because I don't want them to be super bulky, and I already have a lot of hair, so once I didn't want it to be super bulky, so we'll see, but I'll be back. Okay guys, this is Jennifer here, and here you see a close-up look of me braiding my hair with my lock. So basically I'm using my lock as a third strand and using the other hair as the two strands, and then I'm melding them in together. During this process I use several different colors. That's the darkest color that I'm using right there. I believe that's 4. That's shade 4. And it may be another color too. But I also use 27, one pack of 27, 2 packs of 30, and then I also mix and match different colors. So here again, you see me using a different color. And I guess it's what I call the knotless method. So I used probably altogether, I believe it was 7 packs of hair. And I'm really trying my best not to make them too thick. The other thing is that this process lasted several days. I started with the perimeter around my edges first and worked my way into my crown, saving my crown for the last because, as I said, it took me several days, and so this allowed me to put my hair up in a bun and an updo while I finished doing the rest of my hair. This is meant as a protective style, and as you can see, my braiding is not perfect by any means, and the Marley hair that I used, because I did use Marley hair, and I believe I used a 14 to 16 inch hair, maybe longer, maybe an 18 inch, but anyway, I didn't care that my hair was showing through. I actually liked the effect of it because, again, I was not trying to use so much hair. I have over 100 locks, and so if I used the hair to cover up my locks, I felt like it would be too heavy and too thick. Again, I wanted to achieve an updo, so I needed length primarily and not really cared how it particularly looked. Also, this was my experiment, so don't judge me, okay? This is the first time I ever did this on my locks. If you look at my prior videos where I do passion twists and locks over locks, you can probably tell that they turned out a little thick. And so this time I didn't want them to be so thick. So I used as little hair as I could possibly use. I also did not retie my hair prior to putting this style in because I knew that it would probably be a lot on my hair. So I didn't do that. So I think that's about it for the style. I just wanted to tell you that. I think it took me about 8 to 10 hours to do. So like I said, I did it over a span of several days. Now to the ends, what I did with the ends was cut the ends, and I dipped in hot water eventually. So as you can see here, I am doing this myself, taking my time, and that's about the amount of hair that I'm using. That Marley hair is a little bit difficult to work with, so maybe next time I will use the Havana or Cuban hair, and that way it will blend more in with my natural sheen of my hair and not look so shiny. But for my purposes and for what I want to wear it, I think it will work. I plan to leave this style in for about a month, no longer, just to do the updo that I've been dying to do. My hair is growing quite a bit. My natural locks are growing quite a bit, but I still don't have quite enough to make a seamless bun. that I like for my head, for my size head. So I figured I try this hair and see what it did. And I was overall pleased with that style. So I think that's about it. So you just see me doing that, and I will speed up the video for what's left, and I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, stay with you. Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in other videos. So here I am, guys, putting my hair in an updo. I'm spraying it to keep the itch and to optimize the moisture in my hair while it's up like that. And I'm just twisting and tucking it into the band. So it's a fairly easy style, and you can keep it up like that for several days. So until next time, stay wookie.